Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best multi-game table is probably one of the most versatile and engaging pieces of entertainment furniture you can bring into your home for children, offering a dynamic way to keep them occupied and learning through play with a variety of classic games all in one compact unit, making it an excellent investment for family fun and development. Number 5. Best Choice Products 10-in-1 Combo Game Table Set. Get ready for hours of entertainment with this versatile game table. It offers 10 different games, perfect for family and friends of all ages to enjoy together. Switch between exciting games like hockey, foosball, pool, and ping pong with the easy-to-interchange tops. It also includes classics like chess and checkers for endless variety. Don't worry about limited space. This clever design allows all the game surfaces to be stored neatly, making it ideal for bedrooms or smaller game rooms. Enjoy a steady game every time. Its strong legs and non-slip footing ensure it stays put, providing a stable and secure playing experience. Jump right into the fun. This set comes with over 50 accessories, so you have everything you need for countless games and competitions right out of the box. What we like. This table offers an incredible variety of 10 games, making it a fantastic all-rounder for any family. Its clever space-saving design means it fits even in smaller rooms. If you're looking for a single solution that provides endless entertainment options for diverse age groups and interests, this is the one to consider. What people say. There are tons of games to choose from, and it's been a huge hit whenever their friends come over. Their favorites so far are air hockey and foosball, both of which keep them entertained for hours. The table is surprisingly stable and well constructed, especially considering the price. It's impressive how many games are packed into one setup while keeping the overall design sturdy and functional. This product is great quality and one can't help but appreciate that it has multiple games for the kids to choose from. Number 4. Best Choice Products 48 inches Foosball Table. Introducing a 48-inch foosball table, perfect for any home game room or entertainment area. It's designed to bring hours of fun for everyone. Experience superior ball control with ergonomic handles designed for comfort. The smooth surface ensures effortless sliding for that game-winning goal. Crafted with durable composite wood and chrome-finished steel rods, this game table is built for long-lasting, high-quality fun. Enjoy countless matches with confidence. Realistic molded plastic figurines with smooth curves enhance gameplay. Achieve more professional results with every move you make. Enjoy comfortable waist-high play and convenient built-in cup holders for mid-game hydration. It's designed for your ultimate gaming experience. What we like. This foosball table brings a professional feel to your game room with its competition-ready size and features. The ergonomic handles ensure comfortable and precise control for intense matches. If you're a foosball enthusiast or want to add a dedicated, high-quality soccer experience to your home, this table is an excellent choice. What people say. Excellent quality foosball table. The build is sturdy and well made. The built-in bottle and cup holders are a great touch, making it ideal for adult parties and gatherings. Overall, the table is strong, sturdy, and plays well. We have had a few hours on it and nothing has come apart. Number 3. Funwares Original 237-minute of fun games. Get ready for endless entertainment with our 237-minute of fun games. It's the perfect way to bring people together for exciting challenges. Experience thrilling, minute-long challenges that blend skill, luck, and laughter. These fast-paced games are perfect for everyone, from kids to adults, making game nights unforgettable. Test your aim, dexterity, and quick thinking with a variety of games. Setup is a breeze, and the replayability means the fun never has to stop. Take the excitement with you wherever you go. It's ideal for road trips, parties, or just a fun evening at home, indoors or out. Looking for a unique gift? This is a fantastic alternative to traditional board games that guarantees memorable moments for kids, teens, and adults alike. No need to search for extra items. Everything you need for 237 challenges is included, so you can start playing right out of the box. What we like. This set is packed with an astonishing 237-minute-long challenges, offering a unique and fast-paced gaming experience. Its portability means you can take the fun anywhere, from road trips to parties. If you're seeking a highly engaging, adaptable game that appeals to a wide age range and is perfect for spontaneous fun or themed events, this is a standout option. What people say. The box had everything you need to play the games and the materials were good quality. Great for a family fun night. Lots of laughter. Simple to set up and get started. So many games and so much fun. Ages 4 to 44 played with us. Kids loved it, lots of fun and laughs. Easy to follow games. Number 2. Best Choice Products Multi-Game Table Series. Introducing the ultimate gaming experience designed just for kids. It offers hours of indoor fun and friendly competition. This versatile table features 4 exciting games: air hockey, table tennis, billiards, and foosball. It's perfect for parties and family gatherings. Constructed with sturdy wood and high-quality MDF, it's built to last. Safety is ensured with materials meeting U.S. federal standards. Switching between games is a breeze with stackable play surfaces. Plus, it offers convenient storage space within the table frame. Get ready to play right away. It comes with all the necessary accessories for table tennis, billiards, foosball, and air hockey. With 31 inches of gaming space, it's the ideal size for your children to enjoy. They'll love the competitive indoor fun it provides. What we like. Designed with children in mind, this table offers a perfect size for younger players to enjoy competitive indoor fun. It includes 4 popular games like foosball and air hockey, with easy stacking for storage. If you have younger children and want a dedicated, safe, and engaging gaming table that doesn't take up too much space, this is an ideal fit. What people say. The 1-in-1 version, the variety of games keeps kids entertained for hours. The table is easy to switch between games, the pieces are well made, and everything feels thoughtfully designed for younger players. Even though it's not made of solid wood, it's still sturdy and durable. With proper care, I can easily see this lasting for years. It offers a lot of value in one compact design with pool, foosball, air hockey, and table tennis all in one. The setup was straightforward, and the build quality is solid for a children's arcade-style set. Number 1. Elite Sports Equipment Tabletop Curling Game. Age is no barrier to fun with this exciting curling game. Whether you're young or old, it's time to gather everyone and play. This game is all about strategy and skill, not brute force. It's the perfect way to level the playing field and enjoy some quality family time together. Don't let a cancelled playdate or a house full of energetic kids get you down. This portable game sets up in minutes and provides hours of entertainment. Experience the thrill as the stones glide effortlessly across the slick surface. They slide just like in professional curling, bringing the excitement right to your tabletop. Promote healthy sportsmanship and create lasting memories with this durable set. It includes everything you need, plus a bonus travel bag for fun on the go. What we like. This tabletop curling game focuses on strategy and skill rather than just brawn, making it a great equalizer for family fun. The portable mat allows you to set up a game anywhere, anytime. If you're looking for a unique, engaging game that promotes healthy sportsmanship and can be easily enjoyed by all ages, this curling set is a fantastic choice for indoor entertainment. What people say. The fact it curls on the edges is a good thing. It helps to keep the stones on the board and you can intentionally use it to curl the stone. The stones have a little steel ball that simulates moving on ice. It is a very realistic effect. It is very portable, very quick, and easy to set up. This is an excellent game for a quick work break or lunch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.